If you find yourself locked out of your Capital One account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Capital One website. Go to the official Capital One website. Look for the sign-in option and click on it to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, locate the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the recovery process for your account. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your username or email address associated with your account. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 4. Check your email or phone. After submitting your information, check your email or phone for a verification code or link sent by Capital One. Use this code or link to proceed with the account recovery. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should have regained access to your Capital One account. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting Capital One customer service for further assistance.